On May 10, 2025, a Sterling Heights police officer risked his own life to save a woman trapped in the Clinton River. This dramatic rescue was captured entirely on Bodycam.
And I'm 29 feet driving out in the park there. They said that side and I'll tease you.
Oh.
She's holding on. She can't do anything.
Can you guys help her get...
Help her.
Is she above water breathing? Huh? All right. It's okay, just relax.
I have no idea what's here.
Officer Bruno battles the current to reach the stranded kayaker.
No, not yet. Put your elbow back. I got you. Throw your elbow back into it.
Hold on. Here I go. Here I go.
Are you in it? You're in it.
I'm not.
Don't damage, just going forward, okay? Is anyone on the phone? 911?
Yeah.
Do you still have the phone?
Yeah, I see.
Would you mind calling back? Hold on, I'm gonna help you get out, okay?
I want to go to the emergency room.
Okay. Did you swallow any water?
My head hit the kayak, the red one. I went under it. I flipped it or something. My daughter was in it. How do you want me to call 911?
Oh, they're coming. It's okay.
Thanks to his quick actions, both the woman and her daughter made it home safely.